you write emails, essays, or even social media posts, you've probably heard of Grammarly.com, one of the most popular AI-powered writing assistants available today. But is it really worth using? Let's break it down. Grammarly helps improve your writing by checking for spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, and even tone. Whether you're writing casually or professionally, it ensures your text is polished and mistake-free. Grammarly works across multiple platforms, including web browsers, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and even mobile devices through its keyboard app. Just type as usual, and Grammarly underlines mistakes while offering real-time suggestions, right? They have the grammar and spelling checks, catches common and advanced errors, saving you from embarrassing mistakes. They provide clarity and consciousness, helps make sentences clear and more to the point, and they have the tone adjustment, suggest ways to make your writing sound formal, friendly, or confident, right? And they have also the plagiarism checker, right, which is only available for premium. Scans for copied content, great for students and professionals, right? So you can just go ahead and simply upload the new document right here, right, using the free version. And the free version covers basic spelling and grammar, great for everyday users. But if you want advanced suggestions, tone adjustments, and plagiarism detection, you will need to upgrade to Grammarly Premium or Grammarly Business for team collaboration. So you can just go ahead and hit continue and just paste whatever document or article you have right here, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just type or select an article, right? Let's say from piece, let's say piece about love, yeah, love, okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead to this website, right, and I'm gonna copy this example, right? Go to Grammarly, paste it, right, and you're gonna see right here exactly where the mistakes are, and you can also see the pro suggestions, right? And you can just go ahead and hit try for free if you want to use the consciousness and the punctuation, right? And you can see right here they highlighted it right away, right? And you can name your document, right, to save it on Grammarly, so you can get back to it later. And you can go ahead and click the highlighted word right here, right, and hit accept, okay? And you're gonna be able to see the correct word, right? So you could also use the write with generative AI, right? What do you want us to do? If you want to improve this text, or if you want to improve, or if you have more ideas, you can just go ahead and click more ideas. And you can also right here check for AI text and plagiarism, and you need to upgrade it, but you could try it for free right here, right? So it's easy to use with real-time feedback, works on multiple platforms including web, mobile, and desktop, and premium version offers in-depth writing insights. Not 100% perfect, sometimes suggestions may not fit the context, and premium can be pricey, right, especially for casual users. Grammarly is a fantastic tool for improving writing skills, whether you are a student, professional, or content creator. While the free version is helpful, the premium features make a real difference for serious writers, right? So, want to try it out? Head over to Grammarly.com and see if it improves your writing today. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.